far as I can tell, there are three types of gardeners. The getter done, the weekend warrior, and the perfectionist. In all these scenarios, extra work is being done. Find your tools, pack your cart, bring your cart to where you're going, unpack your cart, find your tools, organize your tools, and then you can get started. There has to be a better way. There is a better way. New from the folded form, the Yard Cart Select Collection. Do you use a garden what? A hori-hori, a three-prong rake, a pokey thing, a trowel, shears, other shears, even more shears. We got you covered. Do you need a place for a ruler, ground markers, a real marker, or plant labels? We still got you covered. How about brackets for your favorite drink of choice? Steel cup? Got it. Oversized mug? Got it. Fine vino, but you want to protect it? Fully adjustable bracket. What if you have a hoe? A rake? Even a pitchfork with a handle? It's all handled. What if you plant seedlings or soil blocking? We have an all aluminum tray, guaranteed to hold up to 100 pounds, that simply clicks into place. Well, you can put 2 on there. You can even put 3 on there. All that cargo space stays free for your fertilizers, your mulches, your soils, your everything else that you need. So what does the system fit? Any yard cart with a 1/2 inch upper rail. What does that mean? The upper rail has to be a 1/2 inch wide. If it's 3/4 inch, it's not going to fit just yet. We're working on that. Everything seen here is made from marine grade aluminum and powder coated for long life. With the exception of these aluminum inserts, which are bare aluminum, but again, they're marine grade. They may oxidize, they will not rust, they will not rot, and they will not corrode. These are in there for the long run. So how does it attach? You simply take your bracket and you install it. The kits do also come with hardware, no tools required, with carriage bolt, fits to the slot, washer on the back, followed by a wing nut. Wash, rinse, repeat. You need it? Where can you buy it? Visit us at thefoldedform.com/shop. Or if you want to pick it up in person, we're at a number of farmers markets in the North Atlanta area. Follow us on Instagram at thefoldedform for more information. Swiss catch. It's no catch, no subscription. Buy it once, own it, use it, love it, quality built, made in America. All of your tools organized outside your cart. Seed cell lives on top of the cart. Argo lives inside of the cart. The perfect yard cart organization system by The Folded Form.